Okay guys, welcome back to Tina's sewing class, and today we're going to be doing the overlock stitch, and I hope you guys have been practicing. This is the final one, hooray! And we're going to be moving on to lesson 5 in the next video. So on this one, you're going to get a piece of scrap fabric as well. And go ahead, and I just mark my line here and some markers. You can do the same thing, or if you are good now guys at making your stitches, you won't need the marking line, and you can just go right ahead and start putting your needle through. So this one stitch, the overlock, we're going to go ahead and pull our needle from the front. We're going to knot our thread and pull it through just like that. Okay, now I want you to practice holding your fabric with these 2 fingers and use this finger to maneuver your thread. So push through this stitch as well is coming through the front of the fabric, the front side of the fabric. So you put your needle through, use this finger to help maneuver. Yeah, there you go. And right away on the first stitch, you notice your fabric is folded. Get the thread over your finger again. You're going to push through the front, and you're going to pull the needle through. Keep your thread from tangling. Sometimes you just want to do that. Alrighty guys, so that's your stitch. Okay, so that's your stitch. Let me put one more in. Okay guys, so there you have it. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. But real quick, when you want to finish your thread, you just go to the back, pull this through, get your needle through, and you can do this like twice. Push your needle through the thread and you make a knot, and you're good to go. So there you have it, your overcast stitch. Very nice. Alrighty guys, ciao ciao. See you in the next video, lesson 5.